Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about something that finally I got a wind of today, and it does look like one of the favorite websites that I follow, which is bestmvno.com. Check them out; they do give you really good information on prepaid and other phone deals and everything. But I read this on The Verge, I believe. But like I said, I think that bestmvno does a good job with their article, and I like to discuss this with you and give you my honest opinion about it, since I do use Visible Plus and I do advertise it a lot and everything. And if you guys want to sign up and help with the referral, I do have a referral link for Visible Wireless. I do use them. It will be in the description below, guys, so check it out. But let's get into today's video, guys. Like I said, I'm still recovering from a cold, so don't mind that. That's why I sound a little robotic. And usually I'll pause the video like that because I have to cough, so bear with me. But yes, guys, finally, two things that people have been asking for. Well, really, the number one, you already know which one it is, the one I've been asking for. But the other one, the second option, is the one that some people have been asking for, and I can see the appeal to it. But it says Visible Plus now has 720p streaming, guys. Yes, finally. That's one thing that was kind of breaking the deal a little bit for me, because it did stream at 480p. But I will tell you that before I get into this article, guys, you could watch YouTube videos even on cellular if your speeds are fast enough on ultra wideband or 5G. On 5G, you could still technically change the streaming preferences to 720 HD, even 1080, and it would still load. It's not like if you put it in 720 or 1080, it would not load. It's basically supposed to cap the streaming at 480p, which is standard definition, which on a cell phone you should be perfectly fine. But like I said, you could technically change the settings to HD or at least 720, and it would perfectly load the video. So now that it's 720, I'm guessing we'll try if it does a 1080 or 4K, but that's another video. But also, the second thing that's rolling out is Global Pass Rollover. I'll tell you what that is, and you can get it all for $30 a month. So it says Kickstart 2025 with $25 a month of savings, guys. Join now and get our newest deal, $20 a month for Visible, $30 a month for Visible Plus for $25 a month. Use code SWITCH25 at checkout. I will definitely say, guys, never get the base plan for $20. Pay the extra $10 a month. Trust me, it'll save you headaches and gives you a lot more perks for an extra $10. I currently use Visible Plus on the Plus, or I use Visible Wireless on the Visible Plus plan, should I say. So here you go, guys. Let's get into it. Like I said, it's first time I'm reading this article. I like to give you this raw information as I read it and give you my honest opinion. So it says Visible by Wireless has just updated its $45 a month flagship plan. So yes, guys, without any promos, this plan does cost $45 a month, which is still a steal. Visible Plus, so that it now includes 720p video streaming, an upgrade from its previous limit of 480p. Like I said, guys, I have it. I tested it out. You can technically watch it at 720, even at the 40p limit. I've tried it several times. But that's on YouTube, so I'm guessing this is more like if you're watching Facebook videos or Instagram stories, it probably does cap it at 480p, which, like I said, on a cell phone, you can barely tell. But says another new feature is Global Pass Rollover. Subscribers can now store up to 12 unused Global Pass days on both monthly and annual plans. So previously, and I'll tell you what this is, but previously, any used Global Pass day expired at the end of each month. Global Pass allows you to access your talk, text, and data while roaming in 140 countries. So guys, this is more if you guys travel outside of the United States. I'm guessing most of my viewers, and me personally, I live in the United States. I don't travel really at all, or ever, should I say. I have never traveled outside of the United States. I don't plan to anytime soon. So this doesn't affect me. What affects me is the video streaming, because, you know, we're tech junkies and we like, you know, better HD streaming and everything. But yeah, so basically from here, basically you can use your phone, guys, outside the United States. It does cost $10 a month, $10 a day, sorry. $10 a day does cost you $10 a day that you're out there. So if you're out for 10 days, let's say in Italy, you know, $100. Well, and before they used to give you one free Global Pass day per month, and it would expire after the month. So you can only have one free day. Now it's going to let you roll over 12 days, guys. So you can have so after a whole year per month, so you can roll over a day per month. So after 1 year, which is 12 months, you get basically 12 days if you don't use them. So if you're going in December, you'll have 12 days where you can use your phone outside the United States without getting charged. It says new customers get a discount and $25 monthly price lock. So this is visible by wireless. New member promo, which you can get here, of course it takes you to the website, has also been refreshed. When you use code SWITCH25 at checkout as a new subscriber, you can get the flagship plan for just $30 a month for 25 months. The base unlimited plan is also discounted $20 a month down to $20 with a promo code. Both plans include all taxes and fees over the Black Friday holiday shopping period. The flagship plan was $35 a month with a 2-year price lock. I actually have that right there. Well, the base plan offer was $20 a month. The current offer is scheduled to be available until the end of January. It says one other important thing to note is that if you switch plans at all during the promo period, you will lose the promotional discount. If you upgrade or downgrade your plan, you will have to pay its standard rate. So basically, guys, like I said, for an extra, trust me, if you're going to get this plan, if you're thinking about switching to Visible Wireless, go ahead and get the Visible Plus. You will save you headaches because you have priority data. Yes, it's only 50 gigabytes, but still it's priority data, guys. So if you don't have any priority data, Verizon is very congested here, at least in my town. It's slow and usable almost, so just be worried about that. There, of course, I also, for my second phone, I do use Total Wireless. I do switch quite a bit. I also have Boost Mobile, Visible, and Total, but my main is Visible and Total Wireless. But it says, which promo is better, Total Wireless or Visible? Now, I will tell you, Total Wireless, it almost caught me to use as my primary, but it says, sticking with the same Verizon-owned family of brands. I still think Visible's sister brand, Total Wireless, offer 50% off an unlimited plan. It's a better deal because you do get the better plan. Now, for half off, you can get their flagship plan at the same $30 a month rate with all taxes and fees included, but it comes with a 5-year price lock instead of 2. It also comes with unlimited premium priority data, so that's a big thing, regardless of what the network you are connected to, where the Visible by Verizon plan includes only 50 gigs of premium priority data when connected to Verizon's 4G, LTE, and 5G networks. Now, you do get true unlimited priority data if you're on 5G ultra wideband. So if you work like I do where I work, guys, I have 5G ultra wideband tower near me, so my phone's always on 5G ultra wideband, so I don't use any of the 50 gigs of premium data. And then, of course, I do have Wi-Fi at the house, so really I barely use any data, if that, maybe 10 gigs per month, if that. It says this 50 gig premium priority data limit could be something that eventually goes away, which would be guys, if this happens, we have HD streaming and unlimited hotspot, and if we get this 50 gig premium data limit removed, Visible Wireless probably will be the top prepaid brand in the United States. It says Jeremy Bolton, Visible's managing director, took note of a former Visible's subscriber complaint on X about the limit as something that made them pour it out. So of course, this guy right here, he said if they remove the 50 gig data cap, he probably would come back. If they removed it on LTE or 5G, they would come back. And this guy said he's noted that. So this was basically yesterday. It says, in my testing, I found that Total Wireless allows up to 1080p video streaming on its mid-price plan and also includes unlimited premium priority data. It should be the same on the flagship plan. So videos will stream at a bit of a higher resolution on Total Wireless. Total Wireless plan also includes a Disney Plus subscription. Both Visible Plus and Total Wireless flagship plan includes unlimited hotspot. However, Total Wireless has maximum hotspot speeds of 5 megabits per second, where Visible Plus has it at 10, guys. As its terms and conditions change, all wireless carriers take steps to protect their network, which is correct, from abuse. So basically, if you're using the phone or the data more than what it should be, you can either get cut off or they will be, your speeds are going to be reduced. It says Total Wireless recently updated their terms and conditions to define a bit more of what they consider to be abuse. Their terms and conditions now state, we reserve the right to interrupt, suspend, cancel, or terminate your service to protect the network from harm due to any cause, including, without limits, the excess and unauthorized use of their service. If the amount of a single mobile line's total monthly data use in a planned cycle exceeds the average amount of data consumed by the top 0.5 of users of the network during the proceedings 6-month period, we may reduce speeds to your device to 1.5 megabits per second for the remainder of the cycle, which is still not bad, guys. That's actually not bad at all. So it says, as far as I'm aware, the definition states that the top 0.5 of the users will have their speeds throttled to 1.5 megabits is new. So says amount of a single mobile line's total, which is still not bad at all, guys. Visible's terms and conditions about network abuse are a bit less explicit and remain unchanged. Basically, I believe this one says if you abuse the hotspot too much, they may investigate and may ask you to provide an explanation to determine whether such usage violates the terms and conditions of the service. So it says Visible does not have the potential hard throttle limit in place that Total Wireless defines. However, in my view, the terms and conditions set forth by both providers are in place to stop you from trying to use your phone plan as a replacement for home internet. So of course, guys, these are not meant to replace your home internet. Even though, let's say you're camping or you're living out of your car, or you're trying to use the hotspot as your home's internet, which I guess if you have speeds fast enough and it's unlimited, you could do. But of course, if you use more than, let's say, 200-300 gigs per month, that's very sus, and they're probably gonna say like, why are you using that much, or you're gonna get throttled, or they can even terminate your contract with them. Well, it's not a contract, but their service, should I say, with them. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I'm not trying to make this video too long, just giving my honest opinion. Big win right here, like I said, is streaming. I actually activated it. If you want me to make a video showing you how to activate this, because it is not activated when you first get it. You're probably like, oh, I have it already. No, you have to activate it. It's in the app. I can make a short video how to do this. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Check out the description below for referral codes and ways to support the channel and a lot more details. Thanks so much and have a good day. Thank you.